Alright, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about, it's going to be a continuation of our word manipulation series in Python. Basically, this one will be, for the most part, writing to a Word document file. And without further ado, let's get started. So first off, we want to do is, as usual, we want to import our docs module. Import it again. Oops. So after we've imported our docs, what we want to do is we want to create a new Word document, new empty Word document. So we can do this by typing out doc equals docx.document and an empty sort of set of brackets after document. Now what we want to do is we want to write to this document. So we can do this in two ways. We can do this either by typing out doc.add paragraph. This, and in quotation marks, this is paragraph 1. And I can do it another way too. We can create an object which will put in our doc.addParagraph method. So we can do this by typing out something like object equals doc.addParagraph. This is paragraph 2. And we misspelled paragraph, so we're going to fix that. Now, finally, our paragraph object 2. We're going to call this paragraph object 2. I would just do the same thing again. Doc.add_paragraph. This is paragraph 3. And we're going to put a space in between paragraph and 2 in our other line. And we can't go back anyway, so because we already entered our object. And now we're going to, well, first off, we're going to stylize our document. So we already have our text we put in. This one's a little bit funky, but it should work, basically. So what we can do is we can type out doc.paragraphs. We'll select index 0. It's basically because our entire paragraph is going to have the same style. Well, actually, no, we're going to get to style in a second, but first off, we're just going to use this doc.paragraphs index to get the style of the entire Word document. So we'll type out style. This is paragraph style, normal, ID, something. Basically, again, it just tells us what we knew before. We put in our text. We didn't do anything special with it, so therefore it's going to be basically the same. Now, finally, if we want to change the style of something, for example, if we want to change the style of the first paragraph line, we can type out doc paragraphs 0. Now we're going to type out something called a run. A run we touched up in the last episode is basically just like a single line of text which has something in common. So after we type out doc.paragraphs index 0, we're going to type out runs. And also index 0 because we want to get the first run, or the first paragraph. And finally we'll type out bold equals true. And that will set the whole kind of run to make the whole run bold. And we're going to type out, and now finally we're going to save our document. So we're going to type out doc.save new doc.docs. And we misspelled save. We're going to type that. Oops. Don't type traceback. Doc.save. Now if we open up a new page, we'll see that we got our new doc. The doc's appearing in our console, or not console, but our task toolbar. I don't know if that's the right word, but so we'll open it up. It should open up Word. And we have our text document. We have, this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2, this is paragraph 3. And we made paragraph 1 bold because we identified this as our first run. Now, if we went back and changed this, for example, the paragraphs index 1, it would actually make the second paragraph bold. As we touched up in indexes in a previous video, not not a very recent video, but in a previous video about Python. But yeah, that's basics of how you write text to a Word document in Python, as well as some stylizations for particular runs. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.